how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So basically, once you open up the Messenger and just log in with your account, you'll be able to see that maybe someone sent you a message, and that message, like, you couldn't see it because that person deleted that message. So how do we recover it? What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your main home feed. What you're gonna do, click the three bars at the top left, click the settings gear, and what you're gonna do, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna find the account center or meta. Before, in the past, we used to go to the Facebook app and then go ahead to the account center and meta. So now you could just go ahead through your Messenger, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your information and permissions, and from there you're gonna notice that they have multiple options. Just click the second one, which is download your information, and from here just go ahead and click download your information. And if you have, like me, multiple accounts, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the account that you want to get the information from, right? Just move along to the next step, and if you want a specific type of information, just go ahead and click on it. In my case, I'm gonna just choose the messages only, and then I'm gonna just download to device, right, and choose to download a copy of your to your own device, or transfer a copy to another device. Just move along to the next step, and just basically select the date range. If you want it to be last week, last month, something like that, just go ahead and set it. And if you want to if you want to change your notification email, just to receive the email once it's approved. And basically the format, which I recommend, the HTML, and the media quality, if you have strong internet, just go ahead and make it high quality, right? But it may take longer if you have a slow internet or something. So just go ahead and click create files, and basically your files may contain private information. You should keep it secure and take precaution when storing it, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.